here with Melissa, Levi, Adam, myself, Maya.
Okay, and today we are trying spicy noodle, hot chicken flavor ramen.
You guys are sorry.
And it says 2 times spicy hot chicken flavor ramen, and it's on the Scoville scale is 8,808.
Guys,
I want to see it.
you shouldn't tell me that shit. That's.
I didn't know either till I just read that.
Am I signing up for like?
I want to focus.
Death Row?
Yeah.
Here we go.
This is
I'm
my
scared.
last
This is what we're trying.
one.
So, okay, we can add these flakes on them. So who wants the flakes?
I don't want.
We have to eat it how it comes, so we
All
should
right,
try
so
Oh my
a
god.
little bit. What is that?
Bro, we're gonna die.
Oh,
I
yeah.
don't know flakes.
No.
That's
I'm
sesame
like
seeds. That's all that is. Oh, that's all that
And
is?
this is how it looks. It's just like ramen.
Oh, Adam, those are not sunflowers.
It's jalapeno pepper.
That is habanero.
All right. I'm
You guys
scared.
go first and I'll go last.
Alright.
Wait, Dad's not even on the view.
Here, yeah, you guys get close to me.
Wait, hold on.
What are you doing, bro? Yeah, bro.
Huh.
Damn.
I'm sorry.
What are you getting? We're not gonna wait for you. Levi,
It's gonna kill us all.
what do you? Oh, you can't open your packet.
Weak. Bro.
I
It's gonna be
Hopefully
hopefully this is a long video. Oh my god.
Oh, you're
Imagine.
cutting the noodle. Bro, you got issues.
Don't we gotta eat the whole thing anyways?
Yeah, we have to see
Ready?
who can handle it.
Ready?
All right,
Probably
3,
1, 2, 3, go.
I'm gonna eat some after.
Oh hell! Oh hell no!
Oh damn.
Oh! Oh!
My mom can't handle it, so I probably can't. But
Oh my god.
just get some.
Jesus, take the wheel. Oh my god, wait.
Oh shit!
Yeah,
Maya,
there
watch
you
your
go.
mouth.
Bleep that out, please.
Oh. I should bomb, but. Oh my god. Alright, let's do it.
This man doesn't feel anything.
It does hit. It's like a bat. I don't like it. It's not like good.
Just swallow it whole. Oh, I'm getting
All
it.
my impurities inside my body.
It got on my lips.
It's good.
It's good. You can't be. Why are you drinking milk? You said after. No, weak ass
This still has a
bitch.
lot.
Hey, you're getting me a shit ton.
Oh my god, I feel it in my ears.
Me too.
I think I'm
Feel it
gonna
in my
cry.
stomach.
Shoot! It's so good, but
Want me to
fuck.
cut yours?
No, I could eat it.
Yum. I like the texture.
Thicker noodle than
It's
ramen.
like a pad thai.
She's sick.
Oh, it is hot. Ah.
Oh, my lips are trembling.
My tongue just hurts.
You wanna try
That's a
that?
lot.
Here,
Really
come
good.
on.
Try one noodle here.
Try it.
It's a chili.
My tongue is
Try
hurting.
it. Put it in your mouth. Oh man.
Oh,
I'm crying.
Mom,
Hot.
go give him water, Maya.
Thank you.
Is it that hot?
Mom, come take a bite.
No, wait.
Take a bite.
Come over here. Come over here and get a camera.
No.
Yeah, we're recording. Oh my god.
I'm gonna do a little bit, just a little bit. No, not that much. No. Wait a minute.
Come on, Ma. I did it. And I have a gluten sensitivity. Well, I could have this, but my tongue, I don't.
Oh my god, Alyssa, she's doing less than LeDan did.
My tongue is on fire. It's my tongue.
Spit it out.
Oh, Nana, this is going on YouTube, so
It's hot, right?
Okay, we have to drink the juice.
You you drink the juice. Hell no. I can't. Oh.
It's good.
It's like good. It's like you want to keep eating it, but then like my tongue is literally feels like I ate a whole bunch of sour candy. Bitch, you cheated. I'm cheating too.
I haven't had anything today.
Yeah, because you're like,
You're like a spicy lover though.
you're like Thor.
I'm just second guessing wife right now. Stop shaking my camera, bro.
It's like good, but super hot.
Oh, my tongue is so sore.
Yeah, real sore.
Maya, go get water.
Oh my god, am I drinking
Will you
real
spit that out?
milk?
That is not cool.
Is this regular milk?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm just messing myself up today. I haven't had regular milk in like 5 years. Only almond. Well, babe, if I have the farts tonight, it's because of this mixture right here. Regular milk and noodles. Oh, you tapped out, so it's just me and Adam then. Sissy.
Yeah, sissy, I just don't want to have.
It's just,
Shit.
you'll just have hot poop.
That ain't gonna be bad.
Yeah.
Alright.
You smashed yours?
Yeah, it's good.
Want more?
I guess. Yeah, not your whole plate.
Yeah, Adam won. He finished and he's getting seconds.
Mom, you know how to edit, right?
No. And I don't care because I'm raw. I keep it all raw.
I will edit this.
No.
Because she doesn't know how. Send it to my phone.
No.
Send it to my phone.
No. I don't mind it being
Mom,
regular.
you got to leave the S word out.
It's okay. Shit.
I taste it ready, huh, Mom?
Okay.
It's gonna be us watching these videos, but okay, we're gonna wait.
You don't wake up with heartburn like you won't believe. And then I'll get acid reflux when I
My nose is
sleep.
starting kicking in.
You got the blur effect on?
Like you ginger some,
I love her.
I don't want no pop.
I love her.
It's not enough sauce.
I am not
sweet
talking. You think I'm talking when I... Oh my god!
That was enough.
milk gang.
That went down the wrong tube. Babe,
She can't clap her hand.
Oh God.
Levi, you're a little puss in boots.
She can't say this.
Shut up, Lisa.
Hey, it's family friendly. Keep it family friendly, people. We don't want no people coming at us.
I'm a boss. I'm a queen.
Back.
I could do this.
Big, breaking the backs up. Dick. Shot some up.
Definitely on my level of spiciness.
He is obsessed. Why are you
I'll
so
eat this
obsessed
on the
with
table. When I have that spice kick, I'll go for it.
No, this is that song. Why are you so obsessed with spice that I wanna know? She's trying to cope with it right now.
Alright, you won.
Complete.
King of everything, just like at Buffalo Wild
I
Wings.
love spicy food.
Why?
I just love the challenge.
There's something on your camera.
Stupid. Alright, guys. I have not much left. I'm gonna try to finish it, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to. Woo, my lips are on fire, so is my tongue. Ooh.
My nose is red.
Babe, we might be making up for this later. Alright, guys.
Couch.
Peace! Who wants to do the introduction?
Hi guys, I'm here with Melissa,
Yeah, I'm here with
Levi.
bitch 1, bitch 2, and
This is
Mom,
supposed
three?
to be family friendly.
This is family
Oh,
friendly.
man, start it over.
Start it over. I'll do the introduction since I'm a